10 tricks to make mosquito bites stop itching that you'll wish you knew sooner. None of us likes mosquito bites, but we become their regular victims as soon as the summer embarks. Despite the irritating itching that follows their bites, mosquitoes bring about other health concerns as well, as they can spread diseases and viruses such as the Zika virus. As soon as they bite us, mosquitoes draw out blood and at the same time, inject some of their saliva, that contains proteins and anticoagulants. These proteins trigger our immune system since they are foreign substances, and our body starts releasing histamine in order to neutralize them. This compound helps the white blood cells to reach the affected area, but it also causes the swelling, inflammation, and itchiness. Moreover, as explained by Deborah Sullivan, PhD, MSN, CNE, COI, when you scratch a mosquito bite, this causes the skin to become even more inflamed. Since inflammation causes your skin to itch, you can get into a cycle where scratching will cause even more of an itchy sensation. In addition, by continuing to scratch you run the risk of breaking the skin and causing an infection, leading to even more of an itch. In the middle of the summer season, and the many mosquitoes that have probably already got you, we decided to share some simple ways that will help you stop the itching due to their bites and finally realize that these little pests are less powerful than you think. What's best? Most of the things you'll need are already around your home, so if you cannot avoid their bites, you can definitely relieve their annoying consequences. Scotch tape. Cover up the bite with a piece of Scotch tape, or a band-aid, as soon as possible, and the loss of air supply will prevent the itching. Yet, do not leave it on the skin for longer than a day, as the skin needs to breathe. Diluted minced garlic. Mince some garlic and dilute it with coconut oil. The strong antiviral properties of garlic will help you treat the itching. Honey. Apply some honey on the bite to heal it as quickly as possible, due to the powerful antiseptic and anti-inflammatory properties of honey. Basil rub. Boil 2 cups of water and add half an ounce of dry basil leaves. When cool, soak a washcloth in the rub and apply it on the bites. You can also rub fresh basil leaves on the affected area. Ice. Apply ice to the bites to reduce the swelling and the blood flow, and stop the itching. Oatmeal bath. Add a bit of oatmeal to your bath and enjoy the soothing experience. For even better effects, you can add some honey to the water. Hot spoon trick. All you have to do is to put a teaspoon under warm water to heat it up, and then place it on the bite. The warming sensation will break down the protein injected with the bite and thus treat the itching. Baking soda. Mix some baking soda with a few drops of water and apply the paste directly on the mosquito bite. This will neutralize the itching by balancing the pH levels of the skin. Aloe Vera. The aloe vera gel has potent anti-inflammatory and cooling qualities that will relieve the itching due to mosquito bites. Cold tea bag. Tea bags will draw out the toxins from the body, so put a used tea bag on the bite and it will reduce the residual itch. Do not doubt to try these simple tips next time you are a victim of mosquitoes, as they will definitely save the rest of the summer.